Dear friends of the Whiskey Creek Railway, I have at last dropped the diamond crossing on the track. Let me show you what are the 4 directions that will meet at this diamond crossing. To the left and on the upper left corner of the video, you see the main track which is coming from the train station. The water tower is at more or less at the junction with the switch, which switch allows through a western style bridge to take the outside track which is going to cross the main track and to go into the future silver mine. We have already built some of the retaining walls. We were using some of the pillars that are below the main deck of the house. I had to move a few, but that will be extremely scenic. Going to the right, we have 2 different tracks, and some of you already are familiar with the future bridge which is going to be built towards the center of the video. The left portion will go to a future project, perhaps a kind of funicular to go down the hill towards the Whiskey Creek, which is really a very steep hill. But that will be a project for the far future. Right now, the main step is to realign the 4 tracks that are meeting on the diamond crossing. It needs a lot of precision because the curves are fairly well calculated. So I will have to align the 4 tracks so that they meet perfectly. This is going to be the job of the future months towards the end of the year 2019. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section.